So now the first and foremost thing for ALV report is we need to take one type pool, standard type pool. Okay. So that is this is the standard type pools. So that we should have it. Type pools. Okay. So then, okay. So let's define a problem statement. So assume that from a Mara table, I'm going to get the data, okay, and just simply display it. That's it. So go to Mara table. Please will leave. The selection string will be MAT output will be MAT. So Mara is the, it's a metal master table. Okay, there is a core table for materials. Whichever material in organization exists, so this table will be having that material information. Then empty RT. RT. Then MTRT is nothing but material type, and then material group, MATKL. And unit of measure will be INS. Okay. Let's see the quantity to use that. Yes. Okay, so assume that these are the fields only. Okay, we want to have in the report 1, 2, 3, 4 fields. Okay, so just go to the first is one simple, just selections you just write it. So that we should have defined type, right? Types, medium, GUI, Java, Mara. Mara. Clear. Okay. Mara. Yes. TY. Mara. Data. Mara. Okay. Standard table. TY. Mara. Criteria Mara. TY. Mara. Okay, so it is clear, right? What it is? Now we are going forward. Criteria Mara. Mara. Okay. So now start of selection. Can someone tell me the select statement for this fields? Select statement. Tell me, Rajnish, you tell me. Rajnish, are you there?
Yes, I am here.
Yeah, please. Please tell me the select statement.
Okay.
To
Select
get this data. Yeah.
MATNR, MTART,
Okay.
MATKL, MENS into
Okay.
into table
Into table.
TIMARI
Sorry.
IT MARA
Yeah.
where
Huh?
where
You didn't mention from where we are going to get the data.
oh, no, is from
From Mara.
yeah
Then now it is where class.
yeah
Yeah, tell me.
select where MATNR
Good.
in
Good.
um, WAMARA no
W.
yes so underscore MATNR
Okay. Okay. So this is how you'll get data, right? Now you need to display them. Okay. For display part only is going to be changed with the name. Now just go to enter selection. Now we are going to have ALV. So first thing is for ALV you need to have a type tools that is list, and then we need to define couple of tables. So in ALV, okay, so we have two components. Two components are there in ALV. So one is field catalog, okay, the other one is function model. Okay. So two components are there. One is field catalog and another one is function model. So field catalog is nothing but which will be having the details of the headings of the report. Okay, column details, columns. So column position, column title, okay, column properties. So all those things will be having part of field catalog. Then function model will be actual report, it will be displayed. Okay. So now we need to define a field catalog first. Okay. So to define a field catalog, we need a field catalog internal table. Okay. So field catalog internal table. Field catalog internal table can be defined with the help of SLIS data type. Okay, SLIS is a type tool. Inside that we have many types. Okay, if you go inside SLIS, we have many types. Okay, so these are all different types. In this, we will be using. We'll show that. This is the one. Inside. Yes. So this is the type we should use it while defining a field catalog. Is underscore t underscore field cat underscore ALV. Okay. If you see this, this is already a table type. Already a table type. You guys know types, right? So this is one type. Okay. So this is one type, right? This is one type. Okay. So how a table type will be there? The table type is nothing but again on top of this type one more type will be created. Types GY Mara okay, table type. Okay. Type standard table of GY Mara. Okay. So this is we call this table type. Understood? So from this type, we have defined one more table. Table type in the sense, it is a type again, but the structure will be having table. Okay. So this is a type. Okay. But its structure will be what? Only just one row, kind of a structure. Okay. So where will not be having any table type, where it will be having only a row type. Okay. But in this, it is a type, but it will be having a table inside, table structure. How it will become? This is the type standard table of TY Mara we have defined, right? Again, it's a type. Clear? Any doubts guys here? Table type? Confusing?
Uh, yeah, Raju, one question. So if I have that table type defined for defining the data type, I can use simply the type, right? Not no need of standard table of.
Correct.
Oh,
Correct. Yeah. Yes.
oh, okay.
Okay. How it can be used? See how it can be used for to define a IT Mara. Okay. IT Mara. Just type TY Mara underscore T. That's it. With that, it become an internal table of same type. This is also okay. How did we define here? The same effect will be there if you define like this also. What the difference? Any doubts here? Table type. This is the table type. By using that table type, this is how you will be defining internal table. Okay. So that the same kind of table type we have as in space. So here it is that. Yes. So this is the type we should have it. Just copy this. just define field catalog IT FCAT type. Okay, this is internal table, but we have a table type. Already it is a table type, so no need to have a type standard table of all those things. It's already a table. Then it's work area. Okay, type. So we have in this list only we have another type which is not a table type. It is a kind of normal type. Yeah, the same name. Only just E is not there. Okay, so that will be a work area type. Okay, so we need to define first case. Okay, and then this two we need to have it to define internal. I mean, ALV code. So now we are going to have field catalog filling. Okay, so we will be creating field catalog. Suppose if you want to see what are the fields are there, we just double click this type. You can see what are the fields are there. See this type again. This is the type, right? You just double click. Okay, inside again include type. So include type means it's just type again. Just as it is, that whole structure will be included here. That is what include type means. So again, in this again two types are there. Go to main 01. Yeah, this is the one. See row position, column position, field name, tab name, all those things. Okay. So here we need mandatory. We should fill these things. I just copied and yeah, selection text. Large. At least one text should be filled. The other position doesn't want it, right? So now we need to do this page. Okay. So first in the work area and then using append will be appending. So row position, what position you want? Okay. First column you want. Then field name. So first field name what is that? Within quotes will give you. Field name will be NATNR. Okay. So tab name will be this final internal table data. Wherever the in the data will be there, finally that internal table name we will be given. IT. So within quotes, whatever you are writing, it should be uppercase and selection text. So you can give whatever selection text. Okay. Whereas text elements also you can provide here. So these are the 4 columns mandatorily you should pass for every column. now using append, it will fill to IT. Okay. So like this, you should fill for all the columns. How many columns are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? 4 times you should. Already we have completed one. So 3, we should. Okay. So the field names you need to check one position. Two, three, 4. Okay. So now fields is complete. NTA, RT, IT Mara only tab. So name is going to be changed. Table material type. Okay. And this will be A, T, so AT, KM. Last one is data mentioned, right? And here the material group it is. So this is field definition. Okay, so with this we are done with the field catalog. So 4 columns, whatever 4 columns is there, that we have filled up. Like this, if we have, I mean, for all the columns you should fill with respect of the number. Now, this is one part. As I said, field catalog we need to print it. Another part is calling a function model. Okay, so we have different function models of this. Commonly used function model we have here. We use ALV list display. This. See, this is the function model. This is a standard function model. Okay. To have a list display, ALV list display it is. Okay, these are the different parameters for different purposes. Is there mandatorily you should pass. One is the final output data, one internal table you should pass, and one field catalog you need to pass. Field catalog again it is this. Okay, so these are the things at least you should pass it. Yeah, the field catalog will be and table will be the final data where it is there. IT Mara. Yes, that's it. Only two things. Only to worry like when these many parameters are there, you need to pass. Of course, there is a purpose. We should pass it, but at least these two things you need to pass it. One is field catalog that we filled up like this. And that internal table is nothing but the final result data. So in our example, this is the one final result, right? Clear. So that we should pass it here. Okay. Then rest of the things system will take care and it will give you a beautiful report. So now just write, check, activate. Yes. Okay. So just go on, activate. Yes, why you only product is shit. Here row position we have here. No, no, sorry. Column position should be like. That's the reason row position is okay. This is where I was first time I have seen this kind of a so now, now you can see here automatically lines and everything you got it and this sorting all options you have. You can download the local file, you can print out, okay. Sorry, you can make this, okay. So you can change your layout, you can filter, okay. Suppose anything like material type you want to have it. See one by one option. So this is details. Okay. Suppose there is one line. You want to only one that line only wants to just as detail. You will get it. Okay, like this. That is a detail option. And this is a sorting in ascending order. This is descending order. Okay. So select this column, which column you want to have a sort. Okay. Yes. That's been sorted out. So then if you want to have a descending, you can have it. So this is a filtering option. Suppose here it is there. I want only this material type only. Suppose R5 RW, R5, sorry, 95 RW. So that is the material type I'm having. Let's filter with that only. This one. Okay. So only I can filter it out. See, only two only is there out of those with regards. Okay. So then you can delete the filter. And this is spreadsheet. Okay, you can download to spreadsheet. And this is you can send to Word document kind of thing. And this is a kind of local file. This local file, different files format you can download it. With this file, this is a mail receipt. So it will be sent to somebody by mail also. So this is change there. So you can change the layouts also. Suppose these are the things right now. This there, right? Suppose I don't want this to okay. So see only three connections. So like that you have many options. Okay. So this thing to write it in a normal classical report, how much code you should write it. Imagine about that. So that is how it is so simple and so beautiful